Good morning. We have a 5-minute morning wake up, stretch, and move to help you wake up and just be energized and ready for your day. I am starting with some peppermint and wild orange. It's great to help me focus and get ready for the day. It has this really nice, energizing scent. I like to rub the peppermint, especially on the back of my neck, maybe with a carrier oil. Mine's in a roller bottle. So come to a seat, maybe pull the fleshy part of your thigh up and back. Feel really nice and grounded. Just start to ground in. Take a few nice, good, deep breaths. I'm going to inhale, sweep your hands over your head, palms touch. Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, sweep it up. Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, sweep it up. Now on your exhale, bring your left hand down, stretch through your right arm so much you start to tilt over. Take a breath here. And then on your next inhale, bring both hands over your head again. Exhale, opposite hand comes down, stretch. You don't have to stretch very far, just right to where it feels good in your body. Then on your next inhale, both arms lift up. Exhale, find a nice gentle twist to your right. You don't need to come very far. On your inhale, find length through your spine. Exhale, twist a little more. Just really gentle stretches as we get going a little deeper if your body's ready for it. Inhale, come center. Exhale to the other side. Just moving into that space that's available this morning. Breathing with your movement. Inhale, come back to center. Now bring your feet in front of you. Knees are up. Hands point, fingertips towards heels if it feels okay, but they can move to the side if that feels better. Just start to windshield wiper your knees from side to side. Good. Come center. Press in your hands as you lift through your heart. Gaze up. You might choose to just stay here if this feels really good. Maybe you choose to lift up for reverse table. Lift hips up in line with knees. You can gently look behind you if it feels okay. Keep breathing. Don't hold your breath. And then gently lower your hips if they were lifted. Come over your feet. Find tabletop pose. Shoulders over wrists, hips over knees. Gently let your belly start to drop down as you lift your gaze, lift your tailbone. And then press into the hands as you round through your back. Chin moves towards your chest. Little micro bend in the elbows. Inhale again for cow. Maybe getting a little deeper with each movement. Exhale for cat. Keep going at your pace, matching it to your breath. I took the opportunity here too to lift up my feet, roll out my ankles a little. That might feel good. Finding this gentle flow back and forth. Good. Walk your hands forward about a handprint. Tuck your toes, lift your hips. Find some gentle movement in your downward facing dog. Maybe pedaling out your feet, bending one knee and then the other. And then when you're ready, press both heels down. Look between your knees or up towards your belly button, or between your feet if that feels better. Bend your knees, look forward, step, or just take little steps as you come to a fold at the top of the mat. Halfway lift, hands to your thighs or your shins, long spine, and then exhale for your fold. And then root to rise. Sweep your hands all the way over your head, palms touch, stand up tall. And then exhale, bring your hands to your heart and find your mountain pose. Inhale, sweep your hands up over your head. Exhale, hands to your heart, bend your knees, come to a forward fold. Slide your hands to your shins or your thighs, long spine. Inhale for halfway lift. Exhale to fold. Root to rise, press your feet, sweep your hands all the way up, palms touch, inhale. Exhale, find mountain pose again. Inhale, sweep your hands up. Exhale, swan dive forward, find your forward fold. Halfway lift, inhale. Exhale to fold. Root to rise, sweep it up. This time on your exhale, slide your right foot back. Stay on the ball of the back foot if that feels comfortable. If you don't feel stable enough, then rotate that heel down for warrior one. Otherwise, we'll stay in crescent lunge, maybe a little mini back bend. Hands to heart, step forward. Inhale, sweep your hands up. Exhale, slide your left foot back. Again, maybe you're on the ball of the foot. Maybe you rotate that back heel down. Little mini back bend if it feels good. Inhale. Exhale, hands to heart, step it forward. Good, hands to mountain pose. Roll your shoulders, just unwind as we finish up. Inhale, exhale down your back. Do that a few times. Inhale as you lift. Exhale, shoulders down. One more like that. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. Inhale, sweep your hands up, palms touch. Exhale, hands to heart. Have a beautiful day.